Have you ever wanted to create your own digital products for online sale? Like the leaders you may follow, people like John Maxwell, Joyce Meyer, Dave Ramsey, and others. But there were so many details that just knowing where to begin felt overwhelming. I used to be just like you. I felt like I couldn't get out of my own way because I didn't know where to begin. So many days I would start, and by the end of the day, still not much had been done. Let's face it, when you're confused, it's hard to focus and know what to do when. Sadly, I have seen many amazing ideas never get created because the coach or counselor quit from frustration. It's clear that without a roadmap to know what to do, when, and how, so much time and effort has been wasted with nothing to show at the end. Until just recently, if you were struggling to create and launch your product, the only option you had was to hire an expensive marketing consultant to come in and review your product and sales approach. They would help you fine-tune it and then help you improve your sales. But there's a problem with that, though. Usually consultants like that cost upwards of $500 per session. I know this because I have done that type of consulting. But seriously, in today's uncertain climate, that's simply too much for many small businesses or someone who's just starting out. This is why today I'm extremely excited to announce that you no longer have to struggle to get your product researched, created, and launched. This is because my new and updated guide to product creation with Workbook is now available. This guide is an easy-to-follow, intuitive, groundbreaking process which helps you to generate any length of written, audio, or video digital products simply by following my step-by-step instructions in the guide. I'm Dr. Leelo Bush, and here at the Academy, I have been helping our students with their product creation for over a decade. I have co-authored books and even created popular courses. Now, whether you're trying to create a video product, audio lessons, or an ebook or other digital text product, my guide to product creation with Workbook gives you the missing pieces of the puzzle so that you can finally make your dreams a reality. At PCCA, we have established a solid reputation as leading experts in Christian life coach and counselor training and certification. Our courses would not be complete without helping you attract your ideal clients and customers. In fact, I have helped people just like you since the early 2000s. We are here for you before, during, and after your training to help you succeed. And there's one thing that truly makes my guide to product creation different from every other product creation system and manual on the market. This is that it goes one step above and combines all aspects of research, conception, and production into an easy-to-follow guide that you can understand and begin to implement immediately. So here's what you'll receive when you order your copy today. You'll get specific details on how to create the product of your choice while avoiding overwhelm. A product your clients and customers are sure to love because you have already researched what they want. You'll learn how you can bypass the typical learning curve and save days, weeks, or even months of time and avoid all the speed bumps that everyone else will experience. I will share battle-tested, proven methods and steps that coaching, counseling, and ministry leaders and their teams are using every day to radically increase their income streams and quickly reach levels they never thought possible. And yes, once you learn this system, you can use it over and over and over again to create as many products as you like. Here's a comment from Debbie Stankovich, a master Christian life coach and president and founder of Light My Path Ministries. She's one of my many satisfied customers. And Debbie writes, "It was my passion for coaching that led me to establish my practice in 2007. But I quickly learned that generating income strictly from one-to-one coaching was difficult. I knew that offering products related to my specialty was an option, but I didn't know where to start. Dr. Bush's guide to product creation was exactly what I needed. It opened my eyes to so many possibilities and gave me incentive to finish some things that I'd started long ago. The guide to product creation is far more than a quick overview to the topic. The book is loaded with specific guidance on what to create and how to do it. I highly recommend this guide to anyone new to this aspect of business. Thank you, Debbie, for your kind words. But before you begin to make a decision, let me ease your mind. I am so confident that my guide to product creation will help you finally understand and create the products that you have dreamed of, that I implemented a 100% happiness guarantee. If within 30 days of purchase you show that you have taken every step that I teach you, but have not achieved any results, I will give you 100% credit for this purchase towards any course at the Academy or digital product or ebook in our bookstore. You simply have nothing to lose. So I suggest you order now, and here's why. This is a limited time offer and price. If you get my 103-page guide to product creation with workbook today, it's only $97. That's 51% off the regular price. So simply click Add to Cart below and get your copy today. I want you to be confident that you can create as many products as you want so that you can add more streams of income to secure your future. Picture this in your mind. You wake up on a Saturday morning, grab your beverage and your phone to check your emails. Then you get a big smile across your face as you see 2 new orders for your product that arrived while you were sleeping. Now, this isn't a dream. This is my reality, and I want it to be yours so that once and for all, you can look forward to increased security while you are showing up in service to others and doing the work that you love. Order your copy of my guide to product creation now and discover how easy it can be to create your own products for sale online. I believe that God has a bigger plan for you than you can even imagine. It's time to take the next step. I have this plaque over my desk that says, "Duty is mine, the results are God's." Now, my friend, the duty to act is yours so that God can bring you your results. Just click Add to Cart below and get your copy today.